Looking for the best portable CCTV camera tester for quick and accurate field use? In this video, we'll cover the top 5 portable testers designed for technicians who need reliability on the go. These tools make it easy to test IP cameras, check video quality, and troubleshoot cables directly on site. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video.
First product on the list, TahLiTech IPC9800 CADHS Pro CCTV Tester. The TahLiTech IPC9800 CADHS Pro CCTV Tester is an excellent choice for technicians who need a reliable and portable tool in the field. It comes with a 7H Retina touchscreen and 1920 by 1080 resolution, delivering sharp images and making camera setup more accurate. This tester supports a wide range of formats, including 8-megapixel CVI, TVI, AHD, EX SDI, HD SDI, and 3G SDI, along with H.265 and H.264 IP cameras. With support for 8K video display, it ensures compatibility with the latest surveillance systems. Its built-in Wi-Fi and ability to create a hotspot add convenience for on-site use. Additionally, it features HDMI input at 8K 30 FPS and HDMI output at 1080p for flexible display options. Technicians will also benefit from PoE power output, cable testing tools, and automatic ONIV detection. Compact yet powerful, this tester is perfect for efficient home and office security installations.
Second product on the list, TahLiTech E89 CCTV Tester. The TahLiTech E89 CCTV Tester is a professional, all-in-one tool designed for security technicians and field installers. Its 8-inch IPS touchscreen with 1920 by 1200 resolution delivers clear visuals for 8MP AHD, TVI, CVI, IP cameras, and analog CVBS cameras, ensuring precise installation every time. It supports PoE++ 90-watt output, DC12V 3A and DC24V 2A power options, powering even high-consumption PTZ cameras. With HDMI 4K input, VGA input, and dual gigabit Ethernet ports, connectivity is fast and versatile. Advanced features include UTP or RJ45 cable testing, TDR analysis, Wi-Fi analysis, and SFP fiber module support. Rapid on-VIF login, auto camera detection, snapshots, video recording, and playback make fieldwork efficient.
Third product on the list, the POMIACAM H20 8K IP CCTV Tester. The POMIACAM H20 8K IP CCTV Tester is a professional tool designed for field technicians and security installers. It supports 8K 32-megapixel IP cameras, 8-megapixel AHD, TVI, CVI, and SDI cameras, and analog CVBS cameras, making it versatile for any surveillance project. The tester delivers a 90-watt high-power PoE++ output compatible with IEEE 802.3 AF AT BT standards, capable of powering high-consumption PTZ cameras. Integrated voltage and power monitoring ensures safe and reliable operation on site. It also includes dual SFP ports, optical power meter (OPM), visual fault locator (VFL), and TDR cable analysis for fiber and copper diagnostics up to 1.2 kilometers. Additional tools like a digital multimeter, laser distance meter, and automatic lens focus detection make it a complete field solution.
Fourth product on the list, GILEETEEK IV8W CCTV Tester. The GILEETEEK IV8W CCTV Camera Tester monitor, a versatile tool for field technicians and security professionals. This 4-in-1 tester supports 8-megapixel ADH, CVI, TVI, and CVBS cameras, making it ideal for multiple surveillance setups. The device features a 5-inch high-resolution display, 800 by 480, with a wide viewing angle. Users can clearly monitor camera quality, ensuring accurate alignment and setup. Built-in PTZ control allows full rotation, zoom, focus, and aperture adjustments through the RS-485 interface. It also offers an image generator, DC 12V power output, and audio testing, enabling complete testing even without external power. The UTP cable test ensures network connections are reliable, while VGA and HDMI input supports up to 8 megapixel resolution. Additional features like the LED lamp and efficient battery design make nighttime and field testing easy. Compact, portable, and powerful, the IV8W CCTV Camera Tester is perfect for any on-site security installation.
Fifth product on the list, GILEETEEK IPC 1800 ADH Plus CCTV IP Tester. The GILEETEEK IPC 1800 ADH Plus 4K CCTV IP Tester, a powerful 5-in-1 device built for professional security camera installations. Compact with a 4-inch wrist design, it is lightweight, portable, and convenient for field use. This tester supports 8MP TVI, CVI, AHD, CVBS, and 4K H.265 IP cameras, delivering crisp video with its 800 by 480 HD touchscreen. It also works seamlessly with leading brands like Hikvision, Dahua, and Axis through OnVIF support. Rapid OnVIF login and auto-display features help users save time while generating testing reports. The device includes DC 12V and PoE DC 48V power outputs, allowing direct camera powering on-site. With RJ45 TDR cable testing, technicians can quickly identify wiring issues, length, and signal quality.